sinungaling. Kahit anong motto, no?
Toast, 18 karat gold. Mama see me thugging on my soul. Let you bitches know what's the fucking business. This is toast, 18 karat gold. That's the life we living. Nobody but keeping sa pera panaginip.
Nasa ulap while we ride. Take me to the heavenly spot and go see God. Yeah, yeah. Langit mismo success, walang kailangan itago. Ibuhos mo yung champagne, we ain't counting them bottles.